Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey friends, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an efficient and visually appealing navigation sidebar in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a sidebar that links all your essential pages together, making Notion feel a lot more like a true website. If you're tired of hopping between pages or forgetting where you put that important contact link, stick around. This is going to transform how you use Notion. Let's jump right in. First up, we need to add your navigation pages. Usually, these are the core pages that you want easy access to no matter where you are in your workspace. For most people, these include things like Home, About, Product, and Contacts. The idea here is to make sure the sidebar covers all the bases. Think of it as your personal roadmap inside Notion. You can either create these pages from scratch or use ones you already have. To create a new page, just hit that little plus button in your workspace, give each page its name, and you're all set for this step. Take a second to double-check your list, because this sidebar will be the main way you get around. Once you've got your key navigation pages ready, it's time to organize them into a sidebar using Notion's powerful sync block feature. Here's how. Click onto the page where you want your sidebar to live and type sync block. What this does is create a synced block, meaning whatever content you add here can be mirrored across multiple pages. It's super handy for keeping your navigation the same everywhere, so you never end up with a broken or out-of-date link. Now, for the next step, start by selecting all your page links, the Home, About, Product, Contacts, or whatever you chose, and simply drag them into the sync block. You'll literally grab those pages, drag, and drop them right inside your newly created synced block. This might feel a little bit fiddly the first time, but don't worry. Notion makes these drag and drop actions pretty straightforward. If you ever get lost or if it doesn't look quite right, just try again. Sometimes it takes a moment to line things up the way you want, especially if your sidebar is more complex. With all your navigation links safely inside the sync block, here's where the magic happens. You'll want this sidebar to show up on every page. So just hover over your sync block, choose Copy and Sync, or simply copy the block as a whole, and paste it into each of your main pages. For example, paste it on your Home page, your About page, your Product page, all of them. Now, whenever you add or edit a link in your sidebar, Notion will automatically update it on every page you've pasted the synced block. It's kind of like having one master switch for your navigation, the ultimate time saver, and it keeps things consistent everywhere you work. And that's it. You've just built a navigation sidebar in Notion. It's simple, but powerful, and once you get the hang of sync blocks, you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. If your sidebar doesn't look perfect at first, don't stress. Give yourself a few tries to get the layout and links exactly how you want them. Customize with icons or colors if you're feeling creative. That's the beauty of Notion. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Got questions or stuck on a step? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.